Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the sequence condition in Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow and provide a meaningful title and description. Then, select the required method, menu, and window. Now, choose the location where the trigger should be placed. Here, we are selecting Kebab and then save the trigger. We are using the sequence condition to send notifications based on the final amount. If the final amount exceeds 10,000, a notification will be sent stating that the amount has exceeded 10,000. Similarly, if the amount falls between 5,000 and 9,000, another notification will indicate that the amount is within this range. Start by dragging the sequence condition from the condition events, providing a suitable title and description, and naming the logic blocks. Here, I have added 3 logic blocks, but you can define more according to your needs. Next, configure the first logic block by setting a condition to check whether the final amount is greater than 10,000. You can perform this calculation using either form-based data selection or data carry. Here, we are using the form method. Select the system, menu, window, field, and relation, then choose the value type. The available value types are static and data carry. Since we are using a static value, we select static, input 10,000, and save the condition. Now, pull in a system notification event, provide a title and description, select the receivers, and add the subject and content for the notification. Once done, save the event. For the second logic block, configure a condition to check whether the final amount is between 5,000 and 9,000. Using the form method, select the system, menu, window, field, and relation. Since we are using a static value, set the start value to 5,000 and the end value to 9,000, then save the condition. Now, pull in a system notification event, provide a title and description, select the receivers, and add the subject and content for the notification before saving it. Let's configure the third logic block. Select the necessary conditions using the form method. Choose the system, menu, window, field, and relation, and select the value type. Since we do not want to send notifications for amounts less than 5,000, input 5,000 as the value and save it. Next, connect all workflow components, then publish the workflow. Finally, navigate to the window where the trigger is placed and execute it. If the final amount is greater than 10,000, a notification will be triggered stating that the final amount is greater than 10,000. If the final amount is between 5,000 and 9,000, a notification will indicate that the final amount falls within this range. To test further, try entering a final amount below 5,000, and you will notice that no notification is triggered. This demonstrates how to effectively use the sequence condition in Dalfin's workflow. Thank you for choosing Dalfin.